So cute. I'm ready. Trying to catch the sunlight, girl. Look at this. Okay. Bundles where? I grew this out my head. What you talking about? I grew this out my head.
Clay, you got the heat, boy.
Hi guys. You will have to excuse me. I'm literally in the middle of moving. But this is my room. I'm so happy to get my space back. I'm finally in a space where I can, stretch my get my creative juices flowing and everything. But I'm coming to you real ratchet today with my little beanie bonnet right now. But I wanted to show you guys some hair. Okay. Ooh, sorry, the sun is in my eyes. So this is the hair. It's so pretty. Like literally, I have not done anything to this hair except make it into a wig and put a closure on it. This closure I got from another company, but the bundles, baby, listen, they are full. This is only 3 bundles, okay? Only 3. And y'all know me, I'm used to wearing like 4, 5, 6 bundles in a wig. But for this to be 3 bundles is very full. Like I was surprised. So the texture is body wave, Brazilian body waves. This is the natural curl pattern of it. I haven't curled it or anything. I've literally been wearing this for probably a week or a week and a half. And it's been beautiful to me, okay? I've been in the process of moving, so this is my moving wig for right now. And she has not moved. She has not started shedding or tangling, none of that. Like, I literally have had no issues, and I've been sleeping with her. Like, she sleeps on my head, and I put her up in a bun at night and put a scarf around it, and in the morning she's back to this. So this is definitely low maintenance hair, which I absolutely adore and love. And I thank Bold and Bougie Hair Company for sending me this because, listen, the struggle is real, but this is really good hair. I absolutely love it, and it looks great on me. And I cannot wait to curl this baby. First, I'm gonna wash it probably sometime this week. I have not washed her yet. I'm going to wash her sometime this week and make sure that she bounces back and everything, like the natural curl pattern and everything. Once she does bounce back, I'm going to curl this baby and see how she looks. And I want to straighten it and everything. It just looks so pretty and it's so soft, guys. Like, it's really, really soft. I wish you guys could feel it, but she is amazing. And I'm going to put her on for you so you guys can see. I do also make wigs, so if you want me to make a wig for you, you can contact me. This is the closure. Yes, it is a closure. I can show you. That's the little closure piece. The closure I got from Hair Excursions, and that I did bleach the knots. Oops. I did bleach the knots and I made baby hair or whatever, so I didn't have to have any hair out. Thank you, Jesus, because my edges need a break. But yes, now I'm gonna put this on for you guys. Get out of my little beanie cap. All right, now that we look like Riley Freeman, straight backs. Oh, I'm cute. She has been reborn. Hold on, girl. Y'all, the sun's in my face, so I'm trying to like finesse. But it's cute though. On in the right place. I'm looking down at my mirror. So then you could take like a toothbrush or whatever. You could honestly wear it like this. Like, this thing is secure. It's not going nowhere. And all I did was put it on my head. So what you could also do, there's two other methods. Either you could sew it on or you can just bobby pin it down. That's good too. And you can also use adhesive. I use the Got to Be Glued in the black tube, baby. Black tube. Do not use... Listen, that yellow tube, don't use it. You're gonna have residue. It's gonna be white. It's gonna be white. And you're gonna be mad because it doesn't look like your scalp. You get what I'm saying? Use this black tube, please, people. If you don't use this black tube, use the yellow spray can. I have one, but I cannot find it right now. It's somewhere lost in one of these boxes, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. But I found this one, and I'm gonna try to use this one themselves, and I don't have to do all of that. So I'm going to push it back a little bit. Move the hairs out the way. And my edges is looking rough, okay? I have not put any, I've literally worn my hair in braids for the past few weeks. So I'm just gonna take literally, not even a dime size, just a little bit, because I want it to be as light as possible. But I want to put my forehead in the light. I'm going to put the adhesive on the spot where I had my closure placed. Nowhere. Guys, wait till I beat my face with this, okay? Wait, just wait for it. Okay? This is super cute. But yeah, this is super, super duper cute. And I got my little baby hairs popping. Now, you would not go to your baby hairs after this. I have learned this from watching so many videos. That's how I learned to do these hair videos, but you're not supposed to do your baby hairs after this. What you're supposed to do is put either mousse or something to mold the hair if it's not already molded, and then kind of clip your hair back. My scarf off. Take my ponytail out too. Alright, so take a look at this hair though. Look at this. Y'all see these bundles? These bundles is treating me right. And it's so full and pretty. Like, my baby hairs is I use the Got To Be spray, and I'll spray my baby hairs and kind of just, you know, kind of turn them into place so that they don't look, you know, like they're sticking out or whatever. Sorry. But I love this hair. It's so pretty. Like, oh, I haven't had good hair like this in a long time. You know, trying to mess with AliExpress. I mean, it can be hit and miss, but listen, bold and bougie. Yes, baby. Absolutely. And like I said, I'm gonna do more videos with this hair, especially after I wash it and stuff. I'm gonna curl it. I'm gonna curl it and everything. I want to do a video with it curled, a video with it straight, just so you can see the different ways that you can have this hair. But I'm with wearing it straight because I'm definitely feeling this. They come in these little cute gold baggies, which I have another video on the unboxing and stuff of it. But they come in these really cute gold baggies and a little thank you message from the owner. It's so cute. Will want me to and the longest that I have, I forgot to mention the specs of the hair. The longest that I have is 24 inch. So I have 24, 22, and a 20 inch with a 18 inch closure. It's either 18 or 16. But yeah, comes to here on me. It's really long, true to length and everything. I made sure because I do measure. But yeah, everything is so cute about this hair. Like, I just can't wait to curl it. I want to wash it right now. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go wash it. I'm gonna see y'all later in my next video. Bye.